Hello everyone, I'm Sumit Kapoor, heading the GTM globally for IBM Ecosystem Unit at HCLTech. Today, AI isn't just changing technology, it's reshaping how enterprises grow and compete. And together with IBM, we are unlocking a new era of modernization and responsible AI. At HCLTech, our partnership with IBM is more than just technology. It's about a shared commitment to innovation and delivering real measurable outcomes for enterprises around the world. At the heart of this journey are 5 powerful pillars: HCLTech AI Force, AI Foundry, AI Engineering, AI Factory, and AI Advisory. Together, they form the blueprint for transformation at scale. Through our Center of Excellence for IBM watsonx, we are embedding generative AI into mission-critical workflows, reimagining infrastructure, and accelerating software delivery like never before. By bringing together IBM's cutting-edge AI and data platforms with HCLTech's engineering depth and industry expertise, we are helping clients modernize with confidence, unlocking the new revenue streams, and create truly differentiated experiences for customers and employees. IT modernization is one of the most critical priorities for business leaders today, and our joint capabilities with IBM are designed to deliver both speed and scale. With HCLTech AI Force, our patented generative AI-powered agentic AI platform, we integrate IBM tools such as the Granite models to drive service transformation. This approach delivers up to 30% efficiency gains in coding, 45% in testing, and 60% in legacy modernization. Our AI Foundry offering combines data, AI, and cognitive infrastructure to modernize data pipelines, unify structured and unstructured data, power advanced analytics using watsonx.ai and watsonx.data. The result is actually faster application modernization, accelerated time to market, and significant cost and process efficiencies for our clients. AI adoption touches every aspect of an enterprise, from core operations and workforce enablement to customer engagement and regulatory alignment. With compliance landscapes evolving rapidly, responsible AI has become a strategic necessity. Our responsible AI framework at HCLTech focuses on bias mitigation, transparency, and accountability, while our AI Governance Center of Excellence guides clients through complex regulatory requirements, including the EU AI Act, ISO 4201, NIST RMF, amongst many others. By leveraging IBM watsonx.governance, we embed trust, ethics, and explainability into every AI initiative, ensuring that our solutions are compliant, auditable, and enterprise-ready. Our responsible AI offerings help organizations confidently adopt and scale AI. And how we do that? We start by assessing AI maturity and governance to identify gaps and align with global standards. Then we prepare AI systems for scalability and compliance, strengthen security through technical assessments and red teaming, and also embed responsible AI practices. Finally, we drive sustainable adoption with ethical design, governance frameworks, and user-centric change management, ensuring long-term success and measurable business impact for our clients. Prioritizing responsible AI is essential due to its significant impact on ethical, social, and legal dimensions. And our partnership with IBM plays a vital role in this effort. First, addressing bias and fairness ensures equitable outcomes, while transparency and explainability foster trust in AI systems. With IBM's innovative technologies, we can enhance data privacy and security to protect sensitive information. And we advocate for ethical decision-making to guide AI implementations towards positive societal impact. Moreover, we must combat censorship, resistance, and misinformation, which can undermine AI integrity. Accountability is also vital. Organizations must be prepared to take responsibility for the decisions made by their AI systems. By prioritizing responsible AI, companies can navigate these complexities and ensure their technological decisions are aligned with ethical standards, ultimately driving sustainable and positive outcomes. We selected IBM watsonx.governance because it provides a comprehensive and practical framework to operationalize responsible AI at scale. The platform delivers the transparency, traceability, and compliance controls to organizations need to manage AI models effectively across their lifecycle. watsonx.governance enables us to monitor model performance, bias, and drift continuously, while also automating documentation and risk assessments, critical capabilities for maintaining regulatory alignment and trust. It's open, interoperable design, allows seamless integration with diverse AI tools and ecosystems, ensuring flexibility and scalability for enterprise adoption. By leveraging watsonx.governance, we can translate our responsible AI principles into actionable governance, helping our clients build, deploy, and oversee AI solutions that are ethical, explainable, and accountable, turning compliance into a driver of innovation and trust. Organizations often struggle with visibility, bias, and accountability when implementing responsible AI. Many lack clear governance across the AI lifecycle, from data preparation to deployment, and making it difficult to ensure fairness, transparency, and regulatory compliance. IBM watsonx.governance platform helps address these gaps through model traceability, bias detection, and automated compliance reporting. Through HCLTech's consulting expertise, we help clients translate responsible AI principles into practice by defining governance frameworks, ethical standards, and operational processes. Together with watsonx.governance, we enable organizations to build AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and compliant by design, turning trust and accountability into a strategic advantage.